Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna do like a Pierre Bourne tutorial. So basically, I know like some people like short and sweet to the point type videos, and some people like to see the whole process. So what I did was yesterday I went on stream and I made 4 Pierre Bourne type beats live on stream. So if you're a process guy, you can watch that after you watch this video. And then in this video I'm just gonna explain some of the techniques and theory that I used. So I'm just gonna play some of the beats real quick before we start.
I thought it was beautiful. I thought it was beautiful. I thought it was beautiful.
Okay, so the one I've got open is the first one I played. Just so you know, you have an idea. I'll play it again once I'm through. So to start with, I started off with this melody. It's basically just a simple chord progression. 7th, F minor 7th, F minor 7th, and then to get from the first chord to the second chord, I played this C again, which is in the chord, and then an A sharp, which isn't in the chord, but then, you know, again, the minor 7th. And then it's that same progression, same chord, except it's now at G sharp, now it's at A sharp with the G sharp inverted. So this was the original chord. Right, but then I brought the G sharp down, and then I deleted the G sharp, right, for this third chord. So it's A sharp minor, not 7th, and then I just copied the F again. So it's F minor 7, A sharp minor 7, A sharp minor, F, and then it's just looped. Okay, so to play that just by itself. It's just got a half speed on it, nothing else, and it's this sound right here, classic super bells. A lot of these sounds I found just by going, so like I clicked bells, right, and then I go mood, childlike, dreamlike, floating, you know, like those light type, like anything you would consider to be a similar Pierre Bourne-ish sound. Just hit mood or type, like pick like the category of sound you want, and then just go to mood, and that helps a lot with Omnisphere. So then the second melody is Pad from Nick Mira's Havoc Bank Smiths. I use this pad a lot. This is like one of the only non-stock sounds that I use. I only use like 2 or 3 non-stock sounds, but this is one of them. So So it's basically the same chord progression except just some of the notes taken out, with a large room reverb on it, hall for pads, and a half speed. So then this is the lead. So if you remember, I was playing chord tones, like I made in my video, my secret to melodic beats. So F is the chord tone, right? I mean, F is the root note of the chord. So then G sharp is in the chord, C is in the chord, but A sharp isn't. So chord tone, non-chord tone, chord tone, and then here A sharp is the root note, so then C sharp is in the chord. I don't know if G sharp is the 7th or not. Let me check real quick. Yeah, G sharp is the 7th. So back to the lead. So G sharp is the 7th. So A sharp, G sharp, and C are in the chord. No, A sharp, G sharp, and C sharp are in the chord. C isn't in the chord. Here, basically, let's just to sum it up, it's just alternating between chord tones and non-chord tones. I go over this in the secret to melodic beats. Pretty much just watch that video, you'll learn. So 808 is this Liberty City 808. This is in my free Black Friday kit. So if you want the 808, you can get it there. It's like I made this 808. It's like a Zaytoven 808, like modded to make it like really Pierre Bourne-ish. So I was just hitting F and A sharp. Those are, two of the notes in the chord progression. Hi-hat, simple, two-step. And then the kick follows the 808 with like a little bit of change. I don't know why this isn't turned all the way up. That was on accident. The velocity not matching. So it's just kick pretty much follows the 808 with like some variation here and there. Clap, simple, default claps and snares. And the claps and snares are, so in Fly Melodies, he's like, like the guy on YouTube, when he hit 100K, he released a free drum kit. So you can get this for free. And it's got some pretty good sounds in it, so I use that for the clap, the snare, the perks. And then the kick is the rack kick, which is just like, I just put a compressor on it. But it's it's just pretty much the default rack kick with like a little bit of compression on it. And then this hi-hat is also in my free kit that I put out for Black Friday. Yeah, so this did I use all these perks? Yes. Oh no. So this perk I didn't use. So there's, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so then for perks I did alright, and then just a bounce. So this is in my Too Sweet drum kit, my first drum kit. You can buy it if you want to, you don't have to. Just saying. This snare is just like kind of like a snare roll at the end, just to get into the next 8 bars. This is also in my free kit, and the City of God drum kit, it's in that one as well. And then open hat, this is in my City of God drum kit. It's just an open hat hitting at the 1 right here and then repeating there. Alright, so let's play the beat.
I thought it was beautiful.
So that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see, you know, the whole 4 beats being made, my live stream is still up. Just click it, check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know if you like this type of video, or if you just like the old type where I make a beat, talk about it as I make the beat, and then, you know, thank you for watching.